talking in my head. Hurry up. I don't wanna stop and they forget. Hurry up. Only ever chasing what's next. Hurry up. Only ever running from a grave. Hurry up.
What's up, people? Another day, another thing. Alright, today we are putting some brakes on. I've been needing brakes for the last 3 years. Got some hawk pads and these are for ZZP. I just replaced my rotors. Nothing fancy. I was gonna go to slaughter and drill, but I don't track it enough. Just drag race now. A lot of shimmy up here. I've had shimmy for a while. These brakes I did, man, 4 years ago. Yeah. For today's video, it's not really a how-to. It's a document-ish. I'll be showing my son how to change brakes. He's at that age where he can finally start soaking in things. This will be fun.
Had to be next. Put that version of myself in a casket to rest. Eyes bloodshot, looking like I'm back from the dead. I ain't catching Z's, let alone catching my breath. Guess it's life has some adverse effects. I can't stop, cause everybody talking in my head. Hurry up. I don't wanna stop and they forget. Hurry up. Only ever chasing what's next. Hurry up. Only ever running from the grave. Hurry up. Running, 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 running. Running till the lights go. Running, 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 running till the lights go. Overly productive in my late 20s. Everything I want from life I take from it. I set plans, had a goal, hit them all, took a toll. But everyone who doubted couldn't say nothing. Work-life balance, I'm trying to juggle that. Touring with my family cause we hunting packs. Son is on the phone crying, asking when we coming back. Trying to get this money stacked, he just wants his mom and dad. Damn, I was on the road, did 32 shows. Hopping off stage, switched the clothes. I opened my phone, edit all this content alone. I needed to post because if I don't, they'll forget me and may never show up again. Right? Look, my mind is in 100 places. Autopilot on stage, yeah, I sung the phrases. But deep down, I'm distracted by some frustration. I try to push it down, but it's suffocating. Run in place or become complacent. Too much stress or no stress, that's the ultimatum. I'm trying to play both sides like a double agent. Got everything I wanted, do I love or hate it? Everybody talking in my head. Hurry up. I don't wanna stop and they forget. Hurry up. Only ever chasing what's next. Hurry up. Only ever running from a grave. Hurry up.
It comes out a lot, so just...
Running till the lights go.
Stays good, huh? Give you your first drug. It's a brake cleaner, the real mechanic drug right there.
Yep.
I'm thirsty. See this? It's kind of like push it in the center. Yeah. Doesn't look nice, really. Oh well. It's just dirty. So. Okay, good enough. Alright, it's a little extra step I decided last second. I've had my calipers painted before. You can't tell anymore, but there's a little bit of blue there. Little bit. Years ago, maybe like... See, this car is an 08. Maybe like 2010 is the last time I painted it. So, I was at the parts store. I saw some caliper paint, and I was like, you know what, screw it. I just dumped my sockets. Brakes are off. Really got nothing else to do today, so got some caliper paint. And we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So why not?
This ain't so much. Feel like things gon' be alright. Lights, please.
They have different ways. This is the easiest tool to use. Other tools, you know, it's called a C-clamp. Use like a U shape, like it looks like a C.
Yeah.
You put it back here, and use the little pads. And then the clamp is on this. and then you just tighten down. So you're trying to push this piston thing. You feel like it's really hard, that's what it's all doing. So squeeze that flat. And then release it just like that. Just not push this one. So when you're hitting the brakes, hit the brake pedal, fully goes through, pushes the piston out. Push down. So that moves, so it squeezes it, and then we gotta go and release it. You'll have sometimes you'll take pads off here. What the heck? Like this side will be like low, and this side will be brand new. That means you have to stick the caliper. You hit the brake pedal, you let it off. It's not fully receiving, so it has constant pressure. Sometimes they're tapered a bit. Like this end will be thinner than this side. That's usually a sign of the rotors. The rotors work so bad when you're hitting brakes, it's wearing the backside more. When you take these out, you have these called slide pins, guide pins. You sit in there, pop them out, and they're all, you gotta clean them. Just put a little bit, just all old, it's called caliper grease. And it's just all gunked and stuck on there, so all that. So we gotta get it like smoothish, smooth enough. Brakes are probably one of the easiest jobs to do, but you have to do it right. You know what I mean? It's like one of the most important things. Brakes fail, your car's not stopping. So calipers going this way. A lot of times you want the rubber facing the most forward. Helps with vibration, and when it's stopping, it's not rattling all that. These are the dust caps or dust covers. Just keep dust from getting inside. Sometimes the grease on the nut just gets all clunky, and there's some grease. Oh, it's same color. Nice coating. Just add it in there. Scoop some up, put it on that. Just give it a nice. You can kind of like hold it down and like kind of move it just a bit to help get some of the air out. It's not necessary, not really, but it helps get it. Normally you get new brackets. For some reason I thought you came new brackets. Some go on one way, but some more doesn't matter. See how they have little tabs? Those sit on the inside. Push down up. Cold?
Yeah. My dentist told me I've been grinding in my sleep.
Was you have this in on six?
Talking about my teeth. Heavy hitter, baby, I feel like Barry Bonds. Money lender, baby, it's like I carry bonds. Keep my chin up, baby, I'm like a prairie dog. I see the game y'all playing, don't wanna play along. Look, the flow cheap coffee, hot, nasty. Get the job done. The way I'm chefing up could be the leader of the potluck. Got to where I am by believing in the product. Always in the front, I'm never not shotgun. You see it now, wish you could see it in the long run. I see you like what you been up to. Believe me, I believe you when you say not much. I see it all dolled up. I got a soft spot for the hard shell with a soft touch. back, you'll see it's all us. Look, you know yeah, right. Always gotta, I know that I do, and I try. I can't help myself, girl. It's hard not to, impossible not to. I can't help myself. I know that I do, and I try. I can't help myself, girl. Hey, I got the tab, baby, put away your purse. My baker said that I've been making too much cake. He wasn't talking about dessert.